guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl, Purple, and baby Orlando. Worldies, guess what, y'all? It is still my birthday month. Yay, yay, yay. I know I have not been putting any uploads up, y'all. We have been doing a lot of things this month. It's been very eventful for the both of us. I had my 8 days off. As y'all can see, I didn't get my eyebrows done. I just did not want to take any of my 8 days and having that swollen look and just take away from my time to spend with Orlando and to enjoy my birthday. So I declined that, but I'm definitely needing to get them done, y'all. And as you can see, we're still in our pajamas. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not in the background, but I got the air fryer on, y'all. I'm about to try to make some French toast in the air fryer. And if you've never done it before, because I never done it before, we finna find out now, y'all. Look what he just did. Turning the TV off. He loves to get the remote. So I'm gonna bring the camera in the kitchen, I think, if he lets me. And he's turning it off and on. Okay, y'all, let me get this remote. Okay, Worldies, here are my ingredients. I got my vanilla, my ground cinnamon, my egg and milk, and I'm just gonna use regular bread, y'all, just some regular bread. So we're gonna get this mixture together and I'm gonna show y'all if it works in the air fryer. Okay, Worldies, here's the mixture. We have a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla, along with 1 egg. Here's the bread. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it. Now the air fryer has been going for about 10 minutes getting hot, and we're gonna see how this goes, y'all. We're gonna see. Okay, I have the foil sheet in there with the 2 slices of bread with the mixture. We're gonna stick it in the air fryer and see what happens, y'all. Orlando! Are you ready to eat, little boy? Yes? Yeah? You ready to eat? Are you ready to eat, big boy? I'm standing in front of the TV, and as you can see, he's walking from one side to the other because I'm interrupting his program that he wants to watch. He's a mess, and I love him. Okay, Worldies, here are the French toast bread. It is the second round of French toast. As you can see, this is not the same toast from the first time because somebody ate that already. Apparently it is a winner. It came out okay. Now I have some sausages. I have grits and with some cheese, and I'm gonna eat breakfast. The baby just got through eating. Okay, Worldies, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh Lord, don't hit me. This boy has knocked me out, y'all, with this big head and throwing stuff. He's now into throwing. Let me just sit over here. He's now into throwing things. Orlando and I have a busy day planned today. He has a trunk or treat event that he will be attending, and he got invited to his first birthday party, y'all. So he will be going to a birthday party later this afternoon, and we got trunk or treat just before the party. So we have a long day, and I'm excited for him, y'all. He just threw the cup at me. You gonna tell the worlies bye? Say later, worlies. All right, y'all seen it. Give the video a thumbs up. You can give it a thumbs down if you'd like. Drop some comments, questions, and concerns below. Until the next video, y'all. I know this one was crazy.